Good morning, bird brains, and welcome back to episode 2 of the Fat Bob build series, where we're taking a plain old stock 114 Fat Bob and turning it into a one-of-a-kind badass machine. Now, one of the criticisms that I've gotten on some of the other builds I've done is that I don't focus enough on performance. I usually just do like a stage 1 and then that's it. Well, this series is going to be a little bit different. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so what we are doing is right now we are headed over to Black Widow Power Sports and Performance. They are going to be the tuners for this bike. You guys really liked the video in the last build series where we kind of did a before and after video, so full disclosure, there's not going to be any actual building in this episode. Today we're going to be really focused on getting a baseline on this bike so we know exactly where we're starting at. That way, once we go stage 1, stage 2, and I don't know, maybe stage 3, we'll be able to tell you exactly how much horsepower, exactly how much torque that we gain, because the tuner is going to be the exact same guy every single time. He's very passionate about squeezing every single horsepower, every single foot-pound out of each bike. If you guys also subscribe to Motonosity, this is the same Black Widow. He took it to the same shop that I'm going to. Same guy tuned his S1000. And fun fact, Motonosity's S1000 actually broke his 1K dyno record. It was the highest rated 1000cc bike he had on there. So shout out Motonosity. Of course, as always, I'm going to link his social medias and all that down below. He's really big on Facebook and Instagram, so go follow him on there. Let him know Bike and Bird sent you. But back to the bike. Today, like I said, baseline, and then probably the very next episode that you see after this, about 80% sure is going to be our stage 1 kit. I don't want to give too much away, but I will say that we are going to be using a tuner that we have never used on this channel before. So I know a lot of you guys are going to be excited about that because you were just sick and tired of seeing the same FP3 every single build. But don't worry guys, I read the comments. I know what you want. And honestly, I wanted to try something new too, so I figured with this build being a little bit more performance oriented that this would be the perfect time to do it. But anyways, let's cut to the dyno.
We're making our first pulls on it. So you guys see what she makes, as well as you will in this video. Pulled out some of that full sharky mentality. I'm tricked you.
So this guy got the horsepower to what? One horsepower?
Yeah.
Or what? 0.6?
4/10.
4/10?
4/10. Yeah, he was on there. He was on the money.
Yeah.
Right off the muscle, he said 85. He got 83. So.
83. Yeah. We cut him off for that. So now's the real test. Without even seeing it with stage 1, what's your guess for stage 1?
Stage 1. So filter exhaust.
Filter exhaust before the tune. Let's do pre and post tune. How good are you?
Pre-tune? Took a wizard to this area. Pre-tune, I would say I can see how big the hole in the map is going to be.
That wasn't the question. Yeah. Quit dodging it.
It's going to have a hole at least 15 horsepower deep. I'm pretty sure that it's going to have a hole 15 horsepower deep that I'm going to have to fix. And
now he's just talking himself up, so when he's wrong, he's like, oh, well, you know.
Come on, give us your guess, sir.
Do you pledge to the Biker Bird Patreon?
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
Exclusive behind-the-scenes footage, Discord group chat access, discounts on merch, pledges to the monthly give back. All of this and more could be yours by simply visiting the Patreon link below. Handlebars, helmets, Cardo communicators, and much more are on the give back list where we select 3 winners every single month. So get the lead out of your panties and click that link. Now, back to the video.
And he's thinking hard about this.
Air filter and exhaust, like 95.
95, okay.
95, 96. And then post tune. Hope she hits 103.
103. Okay, well, we got witnesses and we got it on tape, so
Yes,
if we don't hit 103, I'm going to block out all of this advertising for the next couple videos.